Hello, if you are wondering how to change the volume on TOZO Crystal Pods, then by default it is not possible to switch the volume, to adjust the volume by using the gestures on Crystal Pods. However, that doesn't mean that it is not impossible at all, because we need to customize the gestures or the touch control in order to be able to switch the volume, to adjust it. So in order to do that, you need to get the TOZO app on your smartphone, and once you are paired, once you connect your Crystal Pods and the app, you should be able to see something like this, and then go to the top right corner and tap on this gear icon. Then go to touch control, and here we can switch between left and right earbud. So let's say that we want to use triple click or long press, actually. Maybe let's use long press to adjust the volume. So we can replace the switch mode options, which is by default, to something else. And in this case, I'm going to use volume minus. There we go, we have switched. And let's go to the right earbud. And for the right earbud, if I long press, I want it to increase the volume. And there we go. Now we can use the touch panel on the earbuds, which is of course this circle over here, in order to change the volume. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.